Tia. Welcome back to another week of Work Lunch Bentos. This week's lunches are low-carb keto style. For Monday, I just have a simple tuna salad. This is safe catch tuna mixed with celery and mayonnaise over romaine leaves, sprinkled with a little paprika for the aesthetic. Moving left, I have a Target Good and Gather mozzarella string cheese, some English cucumber rounds, and sliced red peppers. On the bottom left are some Flackers flaxseed crackers and a few Thrive Market macadamia nuts. And at the top, I have some fresh raspberries. Okay, see you tomorrow. For Tuesday, I'm using a salad bento box. I have a steak Caesar salad. In the main compartment on the right, I just have some torn romaine lettuce leaves. Then in the divided layer on the left, I have some Marzetti Simply Caesar dressing. By the way, this center compartment is actually a little removable container, so you can pour the dressing over. On the top left, I have some leftover steak slices that were cooked with blue cheese on top, some Parmesan cheese wisps for croutons, some sliced strawberries, and a lemon wedge to squeeze over the salad. Okay, see you tomorrow. For Wednesday, I have some salami roll-ups, aka salami sushi. The left roll-ups are Publix hard salami with herbed cream cheese and blanched asparagus. The right are plain cream cheese with dill pickle. Moving left, I have some English cucumber rounds, a mix of blackberries and raspberries. In the top center is Trader Joe's artichoke and jalapeno dip sprinkled with paprika. The top right is a mix of Trader Joe's Marcona almonds in the truffle and rosemary flavor. And in the center are just some celery sticks to also use for the dip. Okay, see you tomorrow. Thursday's bento is just a quick throw-together lunch. On the right, I have a small salad mix of chopped romaine and green leaf lettuce. I threw some chopped cucumber and red pepper on top. At the bottom in the little container, that's a homemade balsamic vinaigrette. It has olive oil, balsamic vinegar, Dijon mustard, and garlic. Moving left, I have two mini cheese packs. One's a Gouda and a baby brie. I'll pull them out in a sec just to show you. To the left, I have two leftover air-fried chicken tenders I made with crushed pork rinds as the breadcrumbs. On the bottom left, that's some G. Hughes sugar-free barbecue sauce. On the top left, I have a mix of pumpkin and sunflower seeds to either top the salad or use as a snack. And here are the two mini cheeses up close. On the left, that's a Gouda from a pack I got at BJ's Wholesale. And on the right is a Trader Joe's mini brie bite. Okay, see you tomorrow. Friday was a later day at the office for me. I was on print deadline, so this is actually a late lunch, early dinner. I brought a taco salad. In the left main compartment, I have some torn romaine lettuce leaves. On the right, in the divided layer, I have some leftover taco beef. I put it in a silicone muffin cup because I can actually pull that out and microwave it. On the top right, those are some Quest tortilla chips. Then in the bottom, I used more silicone muffin cups to divide the compartments. I have shredded cheese, chopped pickled jalapenos, sour cream, and in the center, in the removable container, is some fresh salsa. I also brought a holy guacamole container to add to the salad as well. Okay, that's it for this week. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.